Hi, my name is Cyril Altesio. I'm here to help you how to build your own gaming PC. Prep 1. PC build tools. The first thing you need to do to prepare is gather the tools you need to complete the build. These are the workspace and screwdrivers. Prep 2. Gaming PC cases. Before you start picking out components, you should have a case or at least case size in mind. Prep 3. Gaming PC parts. Pro tip, make a build list before you make any purchases. All components need to be compatible with all other components. Step 1, install CPU. Tools, motherboard, CPU. Step 2, optional, install M2 SSDs. Tools, motherboard, M2 SSD. Step 3, install CPU, cooling. Tools, motherboard with install CPU, CPU cooler, thermal paste. Step 4, install memory, RAM. These are the tools. Motherboard with install CPU. In step 5, optional, do a test run outside the case. Tools, motherboard with CPU and CPU cooler installed. Step 6, mount power supply. Tools, PSU case, PSU cables. Step 7, install motherboard. Tools, case, motherboards, I/O shield. If not attached to the motherboard, Philips. Step 8, install GPU. Tools, motherboard, GPU, Philips. Number 2. Step 9, install storage. Tools, motherboard, SSDs, HDDs, Philips. Number 2. And the last thing is step 10. Install operating system. Tools, PC, monitor, mouse, keyboard, OS, save to a flash drive. That's it. Thank you.